Ducati is honoring double MotoGP world champion and current factory MotoGP rider, Francesco Pecco Bagnaia, with a special edition Panigale V4 Tricolore Italia superbike. This limited run model is restricted to just 163 units, with each bike personally signed by Pecco. The bike's design draws inspiration from the Ducati MotoGP race machines competing in the 2024 Italian Grand Prix. Notable features include a unique livery, a numbered billet aluminium top yoke, and a custom TFT startup graphic. The Panigale V4 Tricolore Italia retains the same high-performance 1103cc V4 engine found in the standard model, delivering an impressive 213 brake horsepower at 13,500 RPM and 120.9 Newton-meters of torque at 11,250 RPM. The bike is presented in track-ready configuration, featuring several performance upgrades, including Brembo's new GP4 Sport production, titanium-colored, anodized monoblock front brake calipers. These calipers, crafted from billet aluminum and equipped with cooling fins for enhanced heat dissipation, are designed specifically for track use. The bike also features Brembo Racing T-Drive fin discs, measuring 338.5 mm in diameter and 6.2 mm in thickness, providing optimal braking performance. To improve handling, the Panigale V4 Tricolore Italia is equipped with 5-spoke carbon fiber wheels, which offer a weight reduction of 0.950 kilograms compared to the standard forged wheels, and a reduction in inertia by 12% at the front and 19% at the rear. With a dry weight of just 188 kilograms, this superbike is built for high-performance track riding. Additional bespoke elements include a Dainese one-piece leather suit, a billet aluminium fuel filler cap, and an open carbon cover for the dry clutch, delivering that signature Ducati rattle. Each bike is delivered in a custom wooden crate adorned with exclusive graphics, along with a motorcycle cover and a certificate of authenticity. A GPS module is integrated into the Panigale V4 Tricolore Italia to measure on-track performance, while carbon fiber is used extensively across the front and rear mudguards, chain guard, heel guards, swing arm cover, exhaust guard, and alternator cover, all enhancing the bike's lightweight performance and aggressive aesthetic.